Hi y'all, my name is Maci Arms and I am a former competition dancer, now professional dancer here in New York City. I'm so excited. This month I was featured in an article in Dance Magazine about how to translate competition dance into a professional audition workplace. And because of that article, this amazing company, Elite Dance Gear, reached out to me and they wanted to send me one of their duffels. So we're gonna open that together now. I'm so excited. This bag is so big. Let's get it open. All right. Oh, look at the blue. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna have to move because this is so big. But I am so excited to show you guys what they sent me. All right, let's get into this bag. So they sent me their duffel garment bag. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. It's 28 inches, so it's a really good size bag, super durable. Oh my gosh, and they even customized it for me. They have different colors for the names, different fonts, so you can truly make this your own, and it can come off as well if you didn't need it or whatever. But this bag, oh my gosh, this is so durable. Comes with wheels, which is a great option for travel. And we've also got, we got a garment bag in here as well. That's so perfect. As a competition dancer, this would be so convenient to have to put your costumes in, to travel from conventions to competitions. As a professional dancer, I can 100% see me using this on tour or like to going to a photo shoot. I'm so excited about this. Pockets in the front, got some storage in the inside as well. I'm gonna put the garment up just so you can see what it all looks like. So hold on one second, let me get this done. Here we have our bag. I love this customized feature on it, but I have to show you how easy it is to set up the garment rack. The fact that you have the option of whether or not to use it is so convenient, and it's really nice. You could even use this bag as just like a travel suitcase. So if you weren't using the garment rack, but to have the option is also really great. Watch how easy and convenient this is. Here we go. All right, guys, got the bag all set up. Let's see it in action. I'm so excited about this. Wow. So this is amazing. I'm 5'8.5", so I'm really tall. And this garment rack is a great size. It's so sturdy once you lock it. Let me do that. It holds up to about 40 pounds, which would be super great for costumes, really heavy costumes, coats, things like that. As a competition dancer, I would have loved having one of these to hold all those costumes. There's so many pockets in the front. It's weather resistant, water resistant, and it's also got the wheels, making it super easy to transport. As a professional dancer, this would be great to go on tour with. You only have so many bags you can take on tour. And to be able to hang up your clothes, like that's so convenient. Also, I forgot, this says, be happy, be bright, be you. Such a sweet little touch at the top. I absolutely love that. Also, let's see it with the garment bag. Amazing. These garment bags are also so nice. So many different pockets, great quality. Got Elite Dance Gear on the front. You guys, this bag is amazing. I'm so thankful to Elite Dance Gear for sending it to me. They're having a back to school sale right now, so you guys should get a bag for yourself. They're doing a deal for 3 garment bags for the price of $26.99. That's about $8, $9 a garment bag, and I tell you, these garment bags are such a good quality. That's amazing. What a great deal. And if you want your own Elite Dance Gear customized dance duffel, you should order it. All of this is also on Amazon if I didn't say that before. But you can get this on Amazon for $129, which is about 41% off the original price. I think originally it comes to $219. So great special. That sale's going on until September 30th. Elite is here. Thank you so much. You guys go to Amazon, order yours today. You are definitely gonna want this bag. Bye.